there, if we haven't met yet, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today I'm going to show you how to neatly fold your Taekwondo or martial arts uniform. If this video is for you, then follow along and fold with me. If you have a child in Taekwondo or martial arts, I encourage you to have them watch this video and follow along. Independence is super important in this sport and they need to learn how to fold their own uniform.
Start by laying the top of your Taekwondo uniform out flat. Take your Taekwondo uniform pants, fold them towards each other, and then lay them flat on the ground. Fold the bottom half up towards the top, and then fold in half one more time. Now place the pants towards the top of your uniform and center it. Take one side of the sleeves of your uniform and fold it all the way across the pants, and then fold the arm back so it fits within the width of the pants. Repeat on the other side, folding it across and then folding the arm back. Fold the bottom of the uniform up a small amount and then up all the way. Flip your folded Taekwondo uniform over, and now let's add the belt. Fold your belt in half once, then fold it in half a second time, and fold it in half a third time. Your Taekwondo uniform is now folded and ready to store.
Thanks for watching to the end. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to like and subscribe.